You are Igbo, right? Where are you from? Where are you from? Ikwere. Alright, yeah. This is the ABIA Fashion Week, right? ABIA Fashion Week. Alright, and I'm here with some supermodels, you know, and it's going on fine. This is me encouraging the indigenous fashion. How am I going to put it? The fashion talent of the states. So when they get out, okay, Boston. Alright, I have Boston and I have Jacinta. So what's your question about?
We have some for people.
Okay, designer AOE. Alright. What is that brother that was having that? There was a brother here that was having plastic. Yeah. Alright, I want to show you something here.
Now, let me tell you something. Come closer. Take a look. Come closer. Take a
Alright, you know, there's something. Tell us about your fashion.
This bag is outside.
Yeah, tell us about this, man.
I saw it somewhere.
Okay.
It inspired me. I was like, okay, I can get this thing. If I do this thing, it's gonna attract a lot of attention. Like it's kind of awareness. Like this guy,
you make it yourself. All right. My own. I am a promoter of indigenous culture, fashion, and everything that has to do with it. You are Igbo, right? Where are you from? Where are you with us? Ikwere. So what makes you not Igbo? I mean, what is the not Igbo in you? What's your name? Let's start with your name first. Come. This is about to get interesting. No, Archie Victor. So what's your indigenous? What's your indigenous name? That is Opo. All right. Yeah, you know, we have been in the forefront of this identity issue. That the very man that you are. You have been in Abba for a very long time, right? For how long? When? Okay, 2 days ago. You've not been here. Okay, I thought you were. Okay. All right. Well, my name is Chukwemeka. I am the Unified Igbos now proponent. When I see you as a brother, it's you that sees yourself as just Igbere. I see myself as an issue, but I'm also an Igbo person. So for that, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, let me see those beautiful girls. Hey.
You know snap, now me you go see for this.
Tell me about your fashion.
You don't forget to snap.
Tell me. What inspired your fashion?
Disappointment.
Yeah, tell me. All right, babe, let me see.
Hello.
You're looking so hot, eh? What inspired yours?
Okay, so I was, the economy is very hard right now. So I was working on a very tight budget.
Okay.
So that's why I thought of something. This is a shirt from my wardrobe. I don't have to cut it. This is a skirt made out of zips. And I just changed.
Yeah, I can see that.
Can still look good on the
So what is your encouragement to young fashion designers out there?
Okay, just start. Don't think about you don't have this, you don't have this, you don't have this. Just start. Everything.
All right. What's your name again?
Daberechi.
Daberechi.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. All right. Let me get some shots here. Beautiful people. Yeah. Yeah.
My girls are sharp now.
Yeah. Hey man, what's up? What's up, smile? Yeah. You could pass for the, I mean, as the most handsome here, right? Yeah, I'm saying that.
So I'm going to.
The most handsome.
When I say here, when I say here, now you talk to them be the most
Thank you,
handsome.
the judge. All right, thank you.